नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
Early elections as early as possible because the people of Telangana deserve a government, and all these talk about that Muharram is there, the Ganesh festival is there. It has no influence, and as far as inclusion or checking of voters' name is concerned. India is a country which is full of festivals. Every other day we will have festivals. But we have requested the ECI to please hold elections as early as possible. We have given them the example that in 2014 in April, May, in single phase elections were held in Telangana. So we have again requested that please hold elections in single phase, and this is what we have mentioned to them. And we hope and expect that the Election Commission of India, in their wisdom, though it is their prerogative, they will hold elections as early as possible. In fact, I have requested the Election Commission of India that please do not tag us along with other 4 states, because here you have an issue wherein assembly has been dissolved, and according to reference 1 of 2002, the Supreme Court has clearly said that where the assembly is dissolved before the tenure ends, the election should be held as early as possible.